All right. Good morning, everyone. We are live. Well, this is the more hurried by zone. Just wanted to get it soon. This is a quick buy zone actually. Right. Live, and we're gonna be buying in that zone already. We're already buying. It's my community already. We're already buying Bitcoin, so I think we should be up and running 20 pips plus already. So this is good buy zone. Tap into this zone and I'm gonna take a buy. So let's see what it does. Okay. Always, my setup is always on minimal rates. No rates more than 50 pips. 40, 30, 40, no, 30 to 40 pips. That's the highest. Okay. So we don't reach more than that. So that's the setup. So that's our buy zone for today. For gold, we're already buying Bitcoin, and it has already given us 30 plus pips with my community. Okay, so the live trading is already for Bitcoin and gold already, and we're up and running. I think 20, 25 plus pips actually. You want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon. Release bombs and go tick tick boom. You blow me, that head missing. I'm a phenomenon, stacking cheese like it's Parmesan. 8 different flows, call me Octomom. I'm moving fast like the Autobahn, and I'm independent, so I'm welcome everyone. Like it's Ramadan. Sick, twisted, gifted, can't copy, printed, can't hold me down. I shape shift, I'm like everyone. Okay. So, that's it. Welcoming everyone in life. All right. So gold is nearing the zone. This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon. Almost there, approaching zone. Almost there. You picked the zone. I definitely know some people want to enter early, which is not advisable. The main zone here is 02. Okay, that's 302. Okay, let's give them the setup. This is on 30 minutes. I'm gonna drop the setup in my Telegram community and we rock and roll. That's the 40 pips. So it's heading to 42. Oh my god. Good has avoided our entry. Well, Wow, wow, wow. Xauusd has successfully avoided our zone and has gone up ahead to deliver 40 pips for early entries. Okay, that's sad. Well, we got the early entries with my Telegram community. Okay, so we're still observing. This is Bitcoin and it's just looking bad. We were buying here. We're only risking 35 pips, nothing more, no less, no more. Some might want to shift their stop loss, but we don't shift stop loss. 35 pips and that's it. So that's gold. Let's see what gold is gonna do. If it's gonna come back to our zone, fine. If it's not gonna come back and it goes, that's okay by me.
Y'all see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am
Well, here we are. So, what's let me see, what do we have here? Well, this is just in the next 5 minutes. Okay, so that's what God is trying to respect here, this support here, as you can all see. That's what Manig is trying to respect. So if this candle is going to close below here, then I think then probably it's going to come back into our buy zone. But if it doesn't and closes here, then it's a continuous move. That's just it.
Yeah, feel the impact. Yeah, break it open, leaving nothing fucking intact. Hey yo, you been hacked. You're safe, hard in, but I found it, homie, been cracked. Hey yo, we been back. You been stacking, see you flexing with the thin stack. Hey bitch, you been whacked. I kill 'em all, feel the motherfucking impact. Yo, this a war zone, homie. Say you ready and prepared. Take a minute, make them aware. Well, I be sneaking in the back, but it's what the clap. Homie, life ain't fair. Caught me crawling through the mud with a vision.
So it depends on this candlestick now. Push down, closes below this support, then we'll get a pushback here. But if it doesn't, then we're gonna keep continuing. So let's just be patient, okay? There is no need to rush into the markets. So meanwhile, we're still looking at gold. This is good. So this is Bitcoin. We're still dancing with Bitcoin right here. We're risking just 35 pips to make 300 pips with my community members. Of course, we're already in, and we're waiting for it to do what it wants to do. And then, of course, this is Bitcoin. We are buying. This is gold. We are waiting for our buy zone. So 2 setups today. Let's see which one delivers the most. Yep, so as we can all see, gold has closed below that this support, so it should retest, it should pull back into it, and it's gonna close below it, so it should pull back into it and head back to our buy zone. So let's just be waiting. And of course, if we don't get the buy zone, it doesn't mean, even if we get the buy zone and we hit stop loss, it doesn't mean anything. The only thing was we were patient enough, we waited, and it didn't give us what we were looking for. Nothing more, nothing less. Okay.
Find me in the corner of the room, not ready to resume, 'cause I'm taking. Don't wanna be alone, but I'm not in the zone. I'm looking for somebody.
Well, meanwhile, as we are still looking at the setup, let's chat. What do you have to say about today's setups? The buy zone, either the gold, the Bitcoin. What's your thoughts towards that? Drop it in the comment section and let's communicate. Also, still on this buy zone, okay, that still doesn't mean it can't fail. We are gonna still be observing this trend line here, okay. Once it breaks this trend line, then we should expect a pullback on this support somewhere here, and good, pushing all the way down to something 75, 76. Okay, so we are still observing this trend line too is very important. Aside we having buy zone here, we still have a trend line. We get stopped out here, it brings the trend line, pull back into this zone and fall back. Okay, so that's just what we are gonna be observing for good. Still, once we buy here around 33.02, we're risking just 40 pips for the trade, no more, no less. Still, Bitcoin, we risked only 35 pips for this buy trade, no more, no less. Okay, so let's keep observing. When did you start your trading journey, bro? Started my trading journey. It's quite a long story though. I think I started, let's just say 4 years ago, 2021. Yeah, 2021. That's when I started my trading journey. Okay. So I'm not long, or how would they say it? I'm not old in the game, just 4 years. Some people are 10, 15 years, but just 4 years. And I'm here. I've been just quiet though. During those 4 years, I've been just quiet. I think I was doing signal providing, so, and also learning through that. So that's what I've been doing. But now I decided to go loud to show the little skills I learned. Just what I said now. So I've been in the game for 4 years. This is what I said. Good to break this support, to pull back into it and serves as resistance, then push back down here. Or if it still push up and close. Now we are doing candlestick pattern. If this candle now pushes up and close above this my rectangle here, then this support is now valid, then we'll now wait for the next candle to continue moving. So that means those that made early entry around here, of course, if this candle close above here, I'm going to say we should buy actually on 33.008 or 09. It depends on this candle, but if it doesn't respect here, so it's going to push back down into our buy zone. So it's all about observing. Okay, so Vignesh S, hope I've answered your question. So that's just it. Trying to connect my face, but I don't know what the electricity is doing.
Tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning. You wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face, got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh, you'll break your back to make me feel again.
Okay, so we are live, right? Let me try setting the camera. Well, let's see. Okay.
I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only
Is it?
were the angels. Fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone. So save your judgment, cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change. Oh, they say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them break. But they're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming like a moth to a flame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You'll break your back to make me feel again. Suffocate to make me breathe again.
So here we are, guys. So that's just it. Why is it not showing? Okay. So that's here we are. Okay. We're still observing. Good has already gone. Just like I said. So as long as this 30 minutes candle is gonna close above here, we're gonna take a buy here, and we're gonna so that's just it for me. That's how we treat caution. Okay? You need to be patient and be observant. Okay. Meanwhile, hmm, what type of trader are you here, bro? I'm starting mine now. Oh, I'm a swing trader, bro. Aggressive swing trader. That's the type of trader that I am. I think my logo says it all. Okay, I'm a swing trader. More like a day trader, but a swing swing trader. Aggressive. I just do swings. I know 100 pips is not swing, 200 pips is not swing, but I just target 100 pips on my minimum. Okay, so that's the type of trader I am. I'm a swing trader. I can say that. Okay, so I mostly target 100 pips, just take profit partial, and then 200, and then ride it, keep pushing. 300, 400, 500. That's what I do. Okay. And as you can see, our setup is just going. It's just going. It's just pushing up, 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 up. Okay. Plenty like this. So that's just it. Okay. What strategy? Hurricane special strategy. That's my strategy. With time, I'll make mentorship available, and I'm gonna teach my strategy. The strategy doesn't have a name. It's attached to my own name. That's the name of the strategy. I am Cletus. I think that should be a Nigerian name. All right. Good, he's still dancing. Okay. That's just the way it behaves every single time. Okay. Just doing what it wants to do here. Okay. Anyway, Bitcoin setup that I had, see where it is. Almost getting down, almost getting drawdown. Well, I'm not moved. I only reached 35 pips. That's nothing more to the 1,115 pips we've made. 35 pips out of that won't kill me. It's a loss, but yep, I'll have to take it. Okay. Let me check. Thank you, everyone.
Enjoy uninterrupted videos with YouTube Premium and get into what you're into with ad-free, offline and background play. Try YouTube Premium on us.
Up, we're still here. Push up, close above this support. We take a buy. Still dancing here. We wait for buy zone. Okay.
Enjoy uninterrupted videos with YouTube Premium and get into what you're into. Whether it's your favorite hobby or newest obsession, watch videos ad-free, offline, and with background play. Try YouTube Premium on us.
Standing on the edge of a cliff, realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from him, send me tonight. I run away.
Enjoy uninterrupted videos with YouTube Premium and get into what you're into with ad-free, offline, and background play. Try YouTube Premium on us.
Find our place in this world.
Patience.
We'll never forget the past. What counts is our
So if it's gonna close above here and I'm gonna take a buy, my stop loss will be right below here. Okay, that's 3304.1 something something. Okay, so we are still waiting. That's like risking, let's see.
reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. The secret's there, everywhere. Just you and I run away.
Watch videos ad-free, offline, and in the background. Try YouTube Premium on us.
That's 304. Yeah, 04. Yeah, so I've already made the call in my Telegram community. Okay, I literally say if it goes above here, I'm gonna take a risk and take a buy and use here as my stop loss. That's 304. That's me taking risks. That's me being impatient. That's the FOMO that we're talking about, fear of missing out. All these are the reasons. Okay, So let's see what our rigs will give us. Doesn't close above though. It's still trying to dance inside, so it doesn't close above. But we're still gonna take that rigs. We're gonna buy here and rigs just so now our rigs is 40 pips. That's impatient entry, guys.
Watch videos ad-free, offline, and in the background. Try YouTube Premium on us.
Of course, perfect scalping. 20 pips already. Are we not happy? It's moving. Well, that's scalping on live. Are we not happy? Live scalping. What's your biggest loss so far? What? YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. What? Why, bro?
Enjoy uninterrupted videos with YouTube Premium and get into what you're into. Whether it's your favorite hobby or newest obsession, watch videos ad-free, offline, and with background play.
Well,
Try YouTube
my
Premium
biggest
on
loss
us.
so far. I'm a type of person that forgets a lot about losses. I just move on. Once I lose, I just move on. I don't even keep records of my losses. I think I don't have biggest loss. Because I do risk management. I don't risk a lot. Yeah, I know actually when I was learning, that's those first year, second year, I think I made profits of. I took accounts. That was doing, yeah, I think I took $100 to keep compounding. I took that to $3,000 and I lost all. That's because I risked all. I risked everything. I wasn't patient. I was just taking any trade I wanted, just scalping anyhow. I took that and I lost. So I think that has been my biggest loss. Really a big trader like that. Okay, so I'm not big. So I think that should be my biggest loss. I've lost a lot, but all we have to do is just to move on. Okay, I literally don't keep my losses. Once I hit loss, I just retest and check and learn from those mistakes and move on. I don't even know how much, except I check my accounts. That's when I'll see those losses. Okay.
They say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Don't you know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know?
I like these songs. So, what's the time now? So we've been on this live for an hour. Ready? So it's
Watch
time for me
videos
to end.
ad-free,
Okay.
offline, and in the background. Try YouTube
Um.
Premium on us.
So we didn't get our buy zone. We got this instead because of this support, and it's pushing 25 plus pips. So that's something to be happy about. At least we got something today. Already, Bitcoin is just trying to play with our hearts. You can see where it is, almost hitting, taking us out, but we are still there and patiently waiting for it. Take us out or take us to profit. That's just it. And good already, 25 plus pips for scalping. I think if it keeps going, fine. If it doesn't, this is gonna still be our buy zone. Okay.
Watch videos ad-free, offline, and in the background. Try YouTube Premium on us.
Okay, so good is still here, but it's already my time up for today. I need to go do other things. I need to go do some exercise, freshen up, and head up. The only thing I do is set and forget. Okay, I put my buy limits here, put my stop loss, and move. I buy here, put my stop loss, move. So I'm not good in sitting on charts. I'm back to checking rates actually. So meanwhile, Bitcoin is already gonna hit stop loss. I know that. Well, my stop loss is still there. I'm not shifting. I'm not adjusting. Okay. So today didn't go as planned. Good only gave 25 plus pips. Delivered 25 plus pips for scalping. Did not reach our buy zone. Bitcoin is there dancing with our souls. And that's just it for today. So I'm gonna be ending this live right here, right now. Thank you for joining, everyone, and see you all on the next live, or see you all when the market goes right with my direction. Okay, so thank you, everyone. Bye.